Most people use a bag as their primary system. Whether it's a bug out bag, a bug in bag, a get home bag, whatever the case may be. Most of those bags are built for a very specific scenario, and most of those scenarios will likely never happen. For me, the truck is the primary system, because the truck is always with me. Everything here has a purpose, everything here supports something else. The systems bin contains practical items that support real-world needs. Frog togs, dude wipes, a camp cook set, toolkit, knee pads, a stuff sack with gloves, a puffy vest, and a balaclava, jet boil fuel canisters, fishing reel, a little tackle box, a lighter with some cordage and some miscellaneous items, nitrile exam gloves, a thermometer, notebook, a lockpick set because you just never know, poncho, battery charger, stuffed sack with gloves, a neck gaiter, and a beanie cover, can of WD-40, jet boil stove with canister, a fire extinguisher, DeWalt auto inflator, a hammer, and a baby sledge, the handle to the floor jack. If your car battery is dead, you don't have to rely on a bystander to help you out with this beauty right here. Surge protector and a whoopee. The toolkit follows the same philosophy: practical coverage for common problems without unnecessary duplication. The bin is secured during travel but releases quickly when needed. Simple hardware, easy to maintain, and easy to replace. A good system's components overlap each other. A great system's components integrate and support all components of the total system. Now get out there and make your own adventure.